Good morning. So we've got latest generation Defender 110 commercial. This car's been into us a few times for a number of other upgrades, soft close, activations, a few cosmetic changes. But was having a good chat with the customer previously, and he said, "Tom, I'm really underwhelmed with the Meridian sound system in this Defender. Is there anything you can do?" And I said, "Well, yes, we can, certainly." So the customer's given us sort of carte blanche to put a system in here, to which it's absolutely transformed the vehicle. We're just in the process of doing a full system in our demo vehicle here. But this has sort of beaten us to it with this job rather than obviously just doing it on our own. So it's a three-way setup in here. We've added two 6-inch separate subwoofers. It's slightly different than possibly we might have done in regard to the subwoofer side, because the customer has a massive dog crate in the back there, which he obviously carries around all the time. So in terms of subwoofers, we have to think of a slightly different solution, but also the customer didn't want real sort of like boomy rattling bass. He wanted complementary bass in there. So we've installed two Eaton 6-inch subs, which are behind the seat. We've also gone fully active with the latest 12-channel Forza amplifier, with every channel bridged for the three-way, for the tweeter, the mid and the woofer. We've gone for Melee Legend tweeter and mid, and then we've gone for the Voce 6.5-inch in the bottom of the doors. We've also added beacon for 4K streaming. So I'll just show you in terms of what we've done for the installation side. So obviously it's a little bit different on these commercials, obviously on the 110. So as you can see there, Audison amp in there. We've got the beacon, which is there inside, from that point of view. So it's nicely tucked away in there. Customers can still obviously have his storage and everything else which is in there from that. Obviously speaker wise, there will be lots of images on our Instagram, but in terms of obviously inside, obviously just looks the same as it did. And then we've also got a DRC controller which we have here, which is basically for volume. We've also got to change from beacon back to the original stereo in here, and then we've also got volume as well, which is nicely sort of complemented into the interior trim, so it looks like it's sort of factory fitted. And then I'll just show you on the other side, just one of the sides where we've installed the subwoofer, but obviously these are on both sides. So we've adapted the rear plate there, and then we've just got, slide that down, we've got one 6-inch Eaton sub there, and then I'm not sure if you can see, but then the other one is just there onto this particular panel, which is just there. So it's a shame you can't hear this, obviously for music and copyright reasons, obviously for music, but obviously it's nothing like sitting in the car itself. But we will have our own demo vehicle ready for people to come down and listen to very shortly, so please watch out on our YouTube channel for that. Thank you.